Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will learn how to write a professional email in a simple and easy way. Many students, freelancers, and beginners feel confused when they need to write an email. They don't know what to write, how to start, and how to end. But the truth is, writing a good email is very easy if you follow a simple structure. In this video, I will show you a step by step method. You can use this method for job emails, business emails, client emails, or general communication. By the end of this video, you will be able to write clear, polite, and professional emails. Let's start with the basic structure. A professional email has 5 simple fonts: subject line, greetings, opening line, main message, closing line. These are the main 5 fonts of a professional email. Let's understand each font one by one. First is the subject line. The subject line is very important because it tells the reader what your email is about. A good subject line is short, clear, and direct. Don't write long subject lines. Don't leave it empty. Here are some simple examples: job application for content writer, meeting request for Monday, inquiry about your services, freelance copywriting project, collaboration request. So these are some examples of subject lines. Always make sure your subject line matches your message. This helps the reader understand your email quickly. Now let's move to the greeting. The greeting is how you start your email. It should be polite and professional. If you know the person's name, use it. If you don't know the name, use a general greeting. For example, dear sir, dear madam, dear John, hello Ahmed, hi Sarah. If you don't know the name, you can write dear hiring manager, dear team, dear sir or madam. Always use a comma after the greeting. Now comes the opening line. The opening line is a short sentence that introduces your email. It should be polite and friendly. This makes your email sound professional. For example, I hope you are doing well. I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to ask about your services. I am contacting you regarding your job posting. I would like to discuss a business opportunity. These lines are simple and easy to use. Now we come to the main message. This is the most important part of your email. Here you explain why you are writing. Always keep your message short and clear. Don't write long paragraphs. Use simple sentences. For example, I am interested in your services. I need content for my website. Please share your pricing. Also, let me know your availability. This is simple and professional. Avoid complicated words. Always be clear about your purpose. Now let's move to the closing line. The closing line is how you end your email politely. It shows respect and professionalism. Here are some examples. Looking forward to your response. Thank you for your time. I hope to hear from you soon. Please let me know if you need more information. After that, write best regards and in the last your name. You can also use kind regards, sincerely, thank you. Now let's see a complete email example. Here, as you are looking the example of an email. For example, here is a subject line: copywriting services inquiry. For example, dear John, I hope you are doing well. I am writing to ask about your copywriting services. I need email content for my business. Please share your pricing and availability. Look forward to your response. Best regard, Ali. This is a simple and professional email. Now, here are some important tips. Always keep your email short. People do not like long emails. Use simple English, avoid difficult words. Be polite and professional. Check spelling before sending. Use clear subject lines. Don't use too much exclamation marks. Avoid writing everything in capital letters. These small tips make your email more effective. Now let me share one more example for freelancers. For example, subject line: freelance work inquiry. Dear sir, I hope you are doing well. I am a freelance copywriter. I help businesses with email marketing and content writing. I would love to work with your company. Please let me know if you are interested. Looking forward to your response. Best regards. In the last, you can write your name. This is perfect for beginners. Now, one more important thing: if you are a business owner, startup founder, or SaaS company, and you need professional emails that generate leads and sales, I also provide B2B SaaS email copywriting services. I help businesses with cold outreach emails, lead generation emails, sales emails, follow-up email sequences, onboarding emails, product launch emails. My focus is on clear messaging, high conversions, and professional communication. If you need B2B SaaS email copywriting, you can contact me through the link in the description. I will help you write emails that connect with your audience and grow your business. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also share this video with your friends who want to learn email writing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.